Okay, I'm so excited about this, guys. I got this big package today in the mail, super fast. This, my friends, is from the Bath Bomb Press. I'm just so excited, and I can't wait to open it up and test it out. And of course, I had to do it all on camera, right? Let's start by cutting into this baby. Okay, so it was pretty heavy, it's pretty big, pretty exciting. Trying to be careful. Look at this little note from the Bath Bomb Press. Hi Janae, I hope this reaches you well. I received a phone call from a maker who wanted to gift forward the Bath Bomb Press to lift up another maker. I was so thrilled and loved being a part of this. What is a lift up? May you ask? It's helping another maker elevate to the next level by lift up. The anonymous maker has chosen you and your company, so here's your lift up gift from one maker to another. We all hope you use it with joy. Lee and anonymous maker. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm gonna cry. This is so sweet. This is from an anonymous maker. This is so sweet, you guys. What a blessing. This is one of the things I wanted to save up for to take my business to the next level. And oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. A gift. Thank you, anonymous gift giver. Let me know if you'd like to reach out, how I can give back to you, but I'm gonna for sure pay this forward. Thank you. Let's continue on to this unboxing experience. This is well packaged. We had like a little piece of cardboard on top here. Throwing that away. Unpack all items carefully. And we have here, getting to know your Bath Bomb Press. And it's got all like the instructions here, even what kind of compressor, air compressor that you're gonna need for it. Very, very handy. It's going into my notebook of important things. Care and cleaning, gotta have that. Oh, you guys, look, it even includes a recipe, basic recipe, which I'm definitely gonna try exactly as they have it. I always say, try the recipe as it is first before branching out to do your own thing. And then the mold instructions, very important. So everything you need to know about your Bath Bomb Press. So now, let's see what's inside the box. I just can't wait. Like literally, I can't wait. I was at the shop when this arrived. I couldn't wait to open it. It's getting dark here now, so my light's probably changing as we're going through this video. But, you know, when you're excited, you just can't wait. I'm gonna get a little help from this from the hubby because this is a little heavy. Okay, so the husband just helped me open up this box, so that's why it's magically out of the inner box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and carefully open up what's inside. This is the most exciting part. Let's do it. I don't think you have to worry about this coming like broken or anything. This is so well packaged, it's gonna come perfectly to you in the mail. Oh my goodness, it's so official. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is called a plunger. That's probably important. This feels heavy. Let's see what it says. It says medium round. Medium round. Can't wait to open that baby. This one's also medium round. 2 medium round molds? What? All right. Trying to be careful. Dude, this is definitely gonna take my game to the next level. What? Like, you guys, this is so professional. Okay. Donut mold. If you guys know my shop, you know I love making bath bomb donuts, and these sell so good for me. What an awesome treat to have this donut mold where I can make them. They're gonna come out perfect every time. They're gonna come out perfectly weighed every time. They're gonna look smooth, they're gonna look gorgeous. I cannot wait to make bath bomb donuts with this mold. And a large square? The large square, what? Now, I have some really unique and cool ideas for this one. Definitely stay tuned for this because I'm gonna do some more videos where I'm gonna show off some cool ideas that you can do with the large square mold. Somehow there's two. What? Janelle just pointed this out. So show me what you noticed.
I noticed that there is two circles and there's two like little like, well, not little, but like big steel.
There's one.
I noticed that there's two of these things and there's two circles.
The control and two circles. So that's what the two medium round molds are gonna go here, so I can make these twice as fast, y'all.
Wait, you got molds?
Oh, why?
Yes, Beans. Yes. Molds. Bath bomb molds for the bath bomb press. Okay, so the first one we have here is the medium round. Let's open her up and take a look at her. We're just gonna cut that open. I'm just so excited. I'm trying to be careful and like calm down, but I'm just so excited about this, you guys. Ooh, this is the medium round. Look at the size of that thing. Ooh, and it's heavy. I wish you guys could feel it. Good. Okay, so we have it all untaped. Look at that. Ooh, it's beautiful. So pretty. Ooh. So you got your ring. Beautiful, smooth finish. Okay, and then put that back together. Gorgeous. Let's see, we got something called plungers. These sound very practical. But I just want you to see what that looks like. Have two of these in here. The plungers. The ever coveted donut mold. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm so excited about this. Wow, wow, wow. This is just such a blessing, you guys. I am so moved and touched beyond measure. What? Okay. I couldn't. Yes. This is totally gonna take my game up 1,000 notches. You guys, it's just an amazing blessing. So let's take a look at this. Wow, the ring. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. So smooth, perfect shape and size, you guys. I can't wait. I want to go make bath bombs right now. Okay, and then we also have the large square. Let's take a look inside. I'm so curious. Ooh. Ooh. Now this is for the steamers. I make these cute little cube-shaped steamers, and you know they're pretty easy to mold, but it takes a while, you guys. And this little guy is going to make my wholesale orders like super easy. Okay, so let's see. Hold on. Huh? What? Just like a little baby plunger. Okay. Oh, look, they even have a little protective spongy in there. Okay, so we do have...
Still have tape on.
Oh. Thank you, assistants that are in the background that are supposed to be silent. No, thanks, guys. All right, last bit of tape. Now, there we go. Wow, that is beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but that is beautiful. So I think it just goes like this. We put that on there. We fill this up with our shower steamer mix. We put this on there, and it goes in. But I'm gonna also put this back in there too, just because. Protect it.